Now children, let's turn to the next page. Are we all looking at this page? At this picture? Okay, ready? My question is, who is she? Can you see there is a lady who is checking the rabbit? So looking at her, looking at the way she has dressed and what is she doing, can you tell me who she is? Who do you think she is? To me, she looks like a doctor. To me, she looks like a doctor. Am I right, children? Do you agree with me? Okay, next question. What is she doing with the rabbit? What is she doing with the rabbit? In the picture, I can see that the doctor is checking the rabbit with a stethoscope. Can you see she's checking the rabbit with the stethoscope? Yes, when you also go to the doctor, doesn't the doctor check you with a stethoscope? Right. So she's checking the rabbit with a stethoscope. Do you know what a doctor of animals is called? You remember I told you in the previous question, what is the doctor of animals called? Correct. A doctor for animals is called a vet. A doctor for animals is called a vet. And the hospital or the clinic where the animals go is known as the vet's clinic. So that is the place where the animals get treated by the vet. Very good. Now children, let's turn to the next page. Don't you feel this book has got very colorful and beautiful pictures? Okay, so are you looking at the picture, children? Ready for my question? Okay, what is the girl doing? What is the girl doing? In this picture, you can see there is a girl and there is a rabbit and she's doing something. What is she doing? What do you feel? I feel that she's trying to find the rabbit. Because see, the rabbit is hiding behind the bushes and this girl is, I think, trying to find the rabbit. This is what I feel when I look at the picture. Okay, next question. Do you like to play with animals? Do you like to play with animals? Oh yes, I love to play with animals. So children, do you like to play with animals? How many of you have a pet in the house? It can be a pet fish, it can be a pet dog or a cat, even a rabbit. I have a lovely pet dog in my house and I love to play with her. Okay, children? So children, turning to the next page. I hope you are looking at the pictures carefully and answering the questions. Now, next question. What is the rabbit doing? What is the rabbit doing? Can you see the rabbit is eating? And what I see is, I see a carrot and I also see that the rabbit is eating lettuce leaves. What is the rabbit eating? The rabbit is eating lettuce leaves. Okay, next question. Do you like to eat? Do you like to eat? So children, I hope all of you are eating healthy and not troubling your mama and saying, no, I don't want to eat this and no, I don't want to eat that. So it's important that we eat healthy. Okay, good children. So children, let's turn to the next page. Okay, so now my question is, what do you see under the table? See, this girl is bending and looking under the table. What can you see over there? I can see two long ears of the rabbit. I can see two long ears of the rabbit. Okay, now the next question is, what are ears used for? We all have ears And what do we use them for? Do we eat with our ears? Do we talk with our ears? What do we do? We listen. Correct. Right now you're listening to me, right? You are listening to me with your ears and you are looking at the picture with your eyes. Good.